Okay, Revs Customs. Today we're going to do a couple of little upgrades on our GP3D 3D printed Formula 1 car. We had a few people pick up on the fact that this does look like a Lotus. That's what this is based on. So obviously the engine is a V8. So in this update we're going to change some parts out of the engine. We're going to change the exhaust, make it into a V12. We've also picked up some slicks for it. They've sent us out the conversion pack to run these slicks. So obviously you've got your wires on the front, and then these are your fronts here, which are a lot narrower than your rear, as they would be. So let's get these parts apart. So let's start getting this apart and start fitting the new bits. Okay, so we've put some of this off camera. It's quite difficult to put these spark plugs as they were to start with. The Ferrari exhaust. So we've got all that together now, so we can start putting the rest of the back end together. Okay, so we've got all the exhaust on. You notice on the back here, it might look a bit funky. This is just the GoPro mount. I'm going to do some 360-degree footage, which we'll upload as a separate video, so you can watch it on 360-degree. So now we're going to get these wheels taken off and get the slicks fitted. Okay, so we've got the slicks all fitted. So for the rear we're running a soft asphalt. You can see that. And on the front is it's just a medium tyre. So this should give it a lot more grip than what it had. And it looks really awesome. So we're going to finish up the last few bits on this, and we'll see you at a track.